Alright, we're back into it again. This is definitely not a how-to channel, that is for sure. So I tickled the bugle screw, holding all of this thing level, not even halfway through the first cut. We'll see how we go. I don't have much battery left on this camera. I neglected to charge it, so I'm just stuffing up all around today. It's good. One thing I have been successful on though is got a roast pork going on right there. Smells pretty good. Got dinner sorted. And hopefully I'll get some planks sorted. Come and have a look if you want. I think that's where I hit the screw. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put the planks back on here, like strip all of this off. Put these rails back on. Hopefully, without hitting screws again, and do another cut. So the next two pieces I'll probably, or the next piece I'll keep for a stringer, and then I want to roll the log and do it all again, because I basically want like sort of this part of the grain, and maybe I might take a piece off there, but I might do something else, I don't know, and then I'll use that log if I have to. But this is the rail setup. Yeah, cutting that next slice. Oh, you keep using rails each time to try and keep the cut flat and smooth. You don't have to, you just got to change the depth on the mill frame to cut the same sort of, so you get the right thickness each time. But I just chuck the rails back on, I don't have to change anything on the mill frame. We just keep cutting, and like I said, it sort of tends to keep it a bit smoother. But anyway, that's how I'm doing it, and I'll show you when I'm done, when I'm stacking them to dry them. Alright, so here is what the third cut looks like. It's pretty nice wood actually. It's going to be perfect for making the stair stringers. Alright, so these two pieces here leaning up there are the ones I'm going to keep. I'll dry them out and then sawtooth them for stair stringers. You're not going to really see them underneath the staircase, but they'll be nice, thick, chunky, strong pieces of timber. Alright, and that's the top slice, which I'm just going to cut up for firewood. I don't know if I'll mill that smaller log underneath. I'll see how we go. I'm going to cut another 2 slices off of this one and make a bench seat for a friend and whatever, something else maybe. But I'll tell you what, this 880 has really come alive since it's been ported and had an unlimited coil put on it by Sean Griggs in Tasmania. Just in the cutting today, I haven't really used it much until today. But yeah, the rings are settling in and it's really livened up. To be honest, when I bought the 880, I was a little disappointed. I thought that it was just a big, heavy, lazy saw, truckloads of torque, but not real much go to it. But yeah, no, it's cutting wicked now. Really good, really impressed. Thanks heaps, Sean. But yeah, I think this will be it for the milling videos. I think you've seen enough, people. You understand what I'm doing. I'll catch you on the next walk and talk. Get out!